Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shraddha Dahotre from Seraphic Art Studio. Today we are going to paint a beginner level beautiful tulip painting in acrylics. And trust me, this is super simple and easy to make even if you are just starting your painting journey. We will be working with simple colors, basic brush strokes and layering techniques and methods that will help you understand how acrylic paints behave. Grab your acrylic colors, your brushes, your canvas, and let's create something beautiful. So let's get started. So now we'll start the painting by giving the base coat to the tulip. The base coat that we are going to give is crimson red, and this color we are going to apply in the shape of the petal. So the petals of the tulip are always curved. So the strokes that we will start giving will be in a curved form. This will help the tulip to give a more fuller look, and then we'll start the next layer of the paint, which is vermilion hue. So now we'll start applying vermilion hue and blend it softly with crimson red. The blending should be soft blending, but don't blend it too much, as it will take away the effect of the strokes that we have given, and the petal will look very flat. Now since we have finished applying the vermilion hue, we will start blending the color cadmium yellow with vermilion hue all the way down till crimson red. But when we are applying the cadmium yellow, we have to apply along the edge of the petal. This particular tulip is yellow shade, so that's why the edge of the petal will be in cadmium yellow. So now like by mistake I have got to record the other petals, but anyway we'll continue. And we are now painting the back petals. For the back petals we will use crimson red, and the back petals will be slightly darker than the front petals. The more of crimson red will apply, and then we'll blend it with vermilion hue. So once now we are blending the cadmium yellow, vermilion hue and crimson red at the back side of the petal. Now remember, when you are applying the paint on the back petals, the curvature of the flower you have to remember, and the highlights of the flower which I am giving with the cadmium yellow has to be in a curved form. So that it gives the proper 3D effect to the flower. Now we have to give the highlights to the flower, and the highlights will give is with lemon yellow and white. So the highlights will be only on the tip of the flower and the edge of the petals. And the highlights of the way I am giving is in the stroke form. So do not blend it too much. Let that rough effect be there, because if you see tulip, you will see the stripes of the colors in the petals. So we have to maintain that. So we'll continue giving the highlights with lemon yellow and white, and we'll first apply the color on the edge of the petals, and then slowly pull it down with the round brush, giving it a more strokey feel and look, and the strokes will make it look nice, and it will make it look fuller also. So while painting tulip, we have to keep the shape of the tulip in mind, which is the tulip is broad on the top and narrow at the bottom, so that effect has to come. So now we have to paint the shadow of the flower. To paint the shadow part of the flower, we are using the pure crimson red with little bit of burnt sienna, very tiny bit of burnt sienna we have to mix with crimson red, and then give the strokes at the from the bottom of the flower till the top of the petals. And we will only go till half of the petal and not till the tip of the flower, so that the dark color only comes at the bottom where the shadow is there. Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan. Chasing vibes like for the stem, I'm using sap green. So sap green will apply the base color to the full stem first, and then we will give the highlight with cadmium yellow. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune. Now to paint the leaves, again we will use sap green. Give the base color first, again in the shape of the leaf. The leaf of the tulip is long and thinner, so when you are painting, you have to apply the color using the strokes. Then where the highlight of the leaf comes, I'm using sap green with lemon yellow and bit of cadmium yellow to give it a more brighter look, and where the light is falling on the leaves. So the inside of the leaf I'm painting it dark, while the outside of the leaf I'm painting it light. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. So now we will apply the base coat to the rest of the leaves and the stem. And after the whole base coat is applied, we will give the highlight to the leaves and the stem as well. Woke up late, missed the morning glaze. But the sunlight hit. For the highlights, we are using sap green, lemon yellow, and white. And the highlights will be given on one side of the flower, where the light is hitting the stem and the leaves. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. So now this simple beginner level tulip flower painting is completed. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I definitely want you to try it and let me know in the comments box. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.